Going? Is it going?
It's going, babe.
It's not too loud because he's gonna scream the whole time.
Carter, quiet.
I'm like lost for a second.
I know. At least didn't fly the other way. You're so insane. Listen. Aren't you gonna give the good news?
What good news?
Really?
We got videos to put on.
I know, but you could at least say.
Say which. Got my blood work done. Healthy. I'm good.
Your voice dropped more.
A lot more, I think.
Yeah.
Sounds like it to me.
Me too.
The doctor is happy.
We found out there's morning voice, night voice, and sex voice.
Yeah.
But Sean said that your morning voice, or is it your night noise? Your night voice is usually your voice. It's your morning voice? Yeah. So you went to the pharmacy, dropped off your script. We'll pick it up tomorrow.
Then I'm up to 100 a week.
100 milligrams a week.
Where I should have been. Where I should be.
Where you should be now.
Where I should be.
So I gotta move this to get your head in there.
Because it's big.
It's a Jimmy Neutron head.
I like that better than Blockhead.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay.
Actually, I like Blockhead because it's Charlie Brown.
Yeah.
And that's one of my
I have to get you like a black shirt with the yellow zigzag line. Zoomies has it? I'm sure. Gotta have Lil Wayne playing. Look at that stuff going in the needle. So look at that stuff going in the needle. In the syringe. Oh my god, I can't believe you injected that, used that needle.
Me neither.
That's insane looking at it.
I'm gonna do this one.
No, don't. Please don't. Don't do that, because you used to look like you were going to pass out when you did it.
The end of this bottle is one more shot.
Go ahead, do it then.
Hell no.
Yeah, I didn't think so.
That shit hurts.
You like self-injecting?
I do.
Do you ever have pain or cramping in your leg afterwards?
A little. Like a day. It's like a tetanus shot. But it's because it's a muscle. It's in your
Are you really?
It's in your muscle. I'm not pausing, so you do what you gotta do. Darren.
Hello?
Phone calls.
Yeah, I'll be there Sunday night at 7 a.m. This Sunday. Okay. Thank you, Michelle. Thanks. Bye. Bring it, right, babe? It's only Sunday night, though. It's only for Sunday night. What do you want? Want me to do it from here?
Do what?